Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to write prepositions on and in. What we have here? A cat on a wall. A cat on a wall. Now we will write here a cat on a wall. Okay? On the wall. Next picture is a hen in a box. We will write like this. A hen in a hen in a box. Okay, this picture. A boy on a mat. A boy on a mat. A boy on a mat. On, in. The chalks are in the box. Water is in the glass. Scissor is on the table. My note copy is on the table. Okay, you have to write all these in your notebook. End of the session, beta. Bye.